Welcome to this comprehensive review of City National Bank. If you've ever wondered whether this financial institution is the right fit for you, stick around as we delve into its advantages, disadvantages, services, and costs. Let's break it all down step by step. City National Bank is known for its high-end services, catering to both individual and business clients. One standout feature is its personalized banking solutions, which are especially attractive to high-net-worth individuals. They offer wealth management, business banking, and specialized credit services that many competitors lack. Advantages: customized financial solutions for clients with complex needs, access to a wide array of financial products, including investment advisory services, renowned for exceptional customer service, especially in wealth management, strong mobile banking app and digital features. Disadvantages: non-ideal for individuals with basic banking needs due to higher service fees, limited physical branch locations, which may inconvenience some users. Account minimums can be restrictive, especially for first-time customers. These structures might include hidden charges, so reviewing the terms is essential. Services overview: City National Bank provides a range of products, including personal checking and savings accounts, mortgages, loans, and investment accounts. Their business services are extensive, offering tailored solutions like cash flow management, business credit, and payment processing systems. They also emphasize privacy and exclusivity, often making them the go-to choice for entertainment and tech industry professionals. Costs and fees: expect monthly maintenance fees for standard accounts, which can range up to $45 unless you meet specific balance requirements. Overdraft fees are set at approximately $35 per transaction, and wire transfer fees average around $30 domestically. For high-end services, costs vary depending on your financial portfolio. If you're looking for a bank that prioritizes personal relationships and has a robust set of premium services, City National Bank might be your answer. However, if you're someone who prefers low-cost, straightforward banking, this might not be the best fit. Make sure you understand all the terms before signing up. Transparency is key. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next breakdown.